Good morning, peeps. Oh, it's a lovely day. I'm using my mobile. It's a bit weird. It just kind of looks different screen. I don't want to bang on about it anymore, and your comments were lovely, and I think ignoring negativity is always a really good thing. I couldn't help myself and do a Kevin Keegan, but hey, I won't do that again. But yeah, it's what was I going to say? Yeah, ignore the negativity. Always a good idea. Best way to deal. Don't just move on. Don't even engage. Easier said than done, but you got to sort of try. Yeah, it's a lovely day today. So I am using my mobile, but I think I'm due an upgrade, and that might be the solution. Sort of ditch the GoPro, and I might still need an external mic because externally, but the mic isn't a problem on this. So I'm just testing my phone just to see, because it's a Samsung, but I could sort of upgrade to a Samsung S24, which apparently is meant to be really good. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so this is a test vlog really at the end of the day, but look, have a look. I mean, they're all looking all right. These are courgettes. I think these are cucumbers. What is this? Oh, that's purple sprouting broccoli. They're the spring onions. Beetroot, but yellow ones. These are the runner beans, so they need to go outside soon. And I've got some climbing beans over there. And then these are the yellow bush squashes, and more chilies. And I have some melons at home as well, which is quite good, as I'd like to really try and grow melons, or a melon. At least, yeah, why not, eh? So I did tell you what I did do. I kind of finished this area a little bit. I mean, obviously I've got yet to do that, but I'm really pleased with this. So long beds where the gooseberries are. The path kind of goes along that way. And the pond's flower it's come up, which is absolutely fantastic. There will be I've got, in fact, wood chip to go all here. I don't know if that's quite enough, but my wheelbarrow's broken. It's died. But look at the flower. Yeah, I love the pond plants, I really do. I need to water everything because it's going to be a hot day today. I think the top temperature is 18 or something like that. And there are things I need to do. I think this bed, the perennial leek bed, needs attending. So I need to really weed. Do you know what? I was really hoping that these were going to be lettuce. In fact, that might have... I can't see... I did sow seeds here and I can't see any sign of them whatsoever. But I think I'll be weeding that today. Yeah, so I'm going to be weeding that. I think that... and watering, because it's going to be a hot one. A hot midish May. Yeah. Oh, and this is perpetual spinach on this side. Have a look at this. It's bolted. Look at that. I'm going to let it bolt and flower, attract the bees and whatnot, and then cut it back and see what happens. Yeah. Oh, and boysenberries. I think they're going to be doing all right, because there's loads of flowers coming. I hope you can see that. This is, that could do with tying there, up there. A little bit of maintenance. And these are all outshoots. See how they fare. It would be good to have a line going along here for next year. Because, yeah, that would be good. Right, let's get back to the shed, and I'm going to watch this back and see how it is. Oh, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I can't remember what fruiting bush this is, but I got this for my last birthday a year ago, and it's actually, the leaves are coming up, so I'm going to have to try and look back on my videos to find out what it is, because I've completely forgotten. Okay, Right, the next clip I'm going to be weeding that perennial leek bed, doing a bit of maintenance stuff. I'll see you in a bit. Path done. Everything's showing the wrong way around on this filming. I have to work out how to flip it because everything's what was left is right, etc. Yeah, all the watering's done. So I'm going to have a coffee now because it's really hot. But I didn't show the flower properly because I did watch back. Stabilisation's not great, but hey ho. Yeah, I hope you can see it this time because it's really nice. First flower on the pond. Oh, coffee time. Phew. It's flipping boiling. I know coffee seems... I've got water. I think I'm going to go to the shed and put the fan on. Yeah, good idea. See you in a minute. Cheers, everybody. Oh. Oh. Wildlife camera. Ooh, it's attached to wire to save the battery. I have a little what do you call them? The things that you these power packs, little power pack, are charged up. So when I want to check, I can just plug it in and it saves the batteries from, you know, wastage. And it had fallen right down into the grass, and I'd a mouse had appeared, which is actually quite good because I haven't actually ever seen a mouse. Oh, that was that. Turning itself off, I think. Yeah, probably lose connection. Yeah, so I will show that at the end of the clip. It's dead quick. It'll be a matter of seconds, or even now. Right, I hope it was quite cute. I mean, a mouse is a mouse. You're going to get them on an allotment. Probably in the shed as well as out of it, I reckon. Yeah, I once left some daffodil bulbs or bulbs like that. I think they might have been tulips, can't remember. Came back and they'd all gone munched. I'm pretty sure that's what do you call it? Mice activity. Right, so those new beds that I showed earlier, that I just finished yesterday, I'm very pleased with them, and it actually is over this area. Now I'm going to try and see, I don't know if you're going to see this because I can't see the back when I'm panning in, but I'm kind of hoping you can. But there's, hold on, yellow for, bear with, yellow for new bed. So there's a sort of bed there. It's not quite to scale. They're quite narrow, but that's fine. Could perhaps do climbing along there. There is actually a main path that goes down that way. Then the path continues and goes that way. And obviously there's a path there. Yeah, but that's good, that's good. So this area needs developing, as does this is plot 25. So all those I kind of work on. Yeah. I do love that plan. So good. Yeah. Well, I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching on this test piece, and thanks for all your lovely comments. And if you do like this kind of thing and you're not subscribed, please do. Please subscribe. It's completely free. Yeah, it's not like the MacMaster says. It's not a subscription like a magazine subscription. It's just a free subscription, and just by watching and pressing the like button